All right, guys, all clear about that one. So what you need to do, first of all, analyze HBI yourself. So whoever didn't analyze, guys, please do that. Okay, read more information about it. Actually, if you go to their website, to their website, you will see their last report, and very nice report. I actually read it. I enjoyed it, and especially when they distinguish all the risks which they have. Okay, all they don't have any litigation right now, like I mean the problem with court or whatever. But you can read everything. They put everything where they have these risky parts of their business, and it's quite good when you don't know the industry to do it first time. Then majority of companies they will repeat same risks factor, but for the first time definitely do that. Okay, then when you do it, like I would definitely want you to discuss it in your mastermind groups. So I don't know, guys, if you started meeting each other, because we have that table, but I'm not sure if you made the courage to get together and start discussing them like companies. If you didn't do it, please, guys, start doing it. Like somebody, can you make an effort and organizational skills and get your group together? Maybe like on Skype or whatever. And probably I even can get on the first meeting, maybe just to help you out how to organize the structure of the meeting, how to do that, or we can go online and discuss that stuff, kind of how better to do, and then you can run it on your own. Okay, and then develop a strategy suitable to your investment style. So don't try to repeat my style. Don't try to repeat somebody else's style. Develop your own style based on your preferences, risk tolerance, and etc., etc., etc. Okay, great. Now, do you have any questions about masterclass? Okay, all clear. All right, so perfect. So, guys, few news for you. First, it's Christmas party. Even it's at the bottom. Now, because some of you already registered, some of you bought tickets. Great. I didn't book the table yet because it was less than 8 people. They demand more than 8 people, but now we already got more than 8 people. So I'm going to call tomorrow. Probably tonight is already too late. So if you didn't see that or you didn't know about that, so please register for that. We're going to this Camelot Lounge. It will be dinner. We'll have a dinner, some music there. It's kind of fun. Last time we went to the jazz club. This time we decided to go to salsa kind of stuff. So I don't know if somebody dances salsa, you will enjoy it there. I don't know if they're dancing there or not. It's my first time in this particular place. Jonas ETF, it's exchange trading fund. What they do, they buy, you know, when people trying to diversify their portfolio, they buy a lot of companies. Like, I mean, right? And if people want to diversify, they, for example, in retail industry, they will buy different companies in that specific industry. So, but there are ETFs which just buy all retailers, which included that, for example, this specific index, which ETF, which we looked, it buys all the companies which are included in retail part of S&P 500 index. So it's like when you're buying this ETF, you like buying all the companies, retail companies specifically. And some ETFs, they could be gold, right? Some of them just, each ETF, they have their own rules, how they buy their shares and how they create their portfolios. So you can read about it and then you decide, instead of researching the whole industry sector, for example, if you believe that the whole retail industry is going to go up, you can just buy ETF. Okay, don't try to choose the specific companies. Okay, Warren Buffett actually, sometimes he advised that just buy index ETF, which follows the index, because you cannot buy index. You can buy future or you can buy ETF. So, and a lot of people just buy ETF. Okay. All right, going back to our Christmas party. So, guys, you have to book the ticket, and then when you book it, let me know about it, because when I'm going to call tomorrow and I'm going to tell the names who booked it. So if you purchased the ticket tonight, so please put it in a Facebook group that you bought it, so that I put your name, I tell your name to the owner of this club, when I call him. All right, so full information in our Facebook group. So another one event next week, we're going to have a couple introduction events. You know what it is because you came to our company during these events. So one of them is going to be on Tuesday, 28th of November. It's going to be in Parramatta at 6 p.m. Okay, and another one is be on Wednesday, 29th of November at Club Redford. Okay, so if you have any friend who might be interested in joining our club, please invite it. Let me know, because if you invite somebody and the person join us, you get 10%. So you kind of put some extra money into your investment portfolio. So for some people, it could be good. All right. And another thing I wanted to ask you guys, I don't know if you're available or not. Can you, somebody, if you can, to help me out with a Wednesday one, just to come and just to help with registration, and that's it, you know. So just basically it, you know. So because Mana cannot do it, Mana usually helps me out, but this time he's busy, so he cannot do 28th. I have somebody to help me on the in Parramatta, but if you can come on Wednesday, I would be really grateful if you can do it, you know. So, oh, Dory, thanks. I would appreciate it a lot. So if you can do it. Okay, great, fantastic. So that's it. So if you have any guys questions, oh yeah, do please put a reminder. I'll remind you as well. So Dory, so about that. So usually we come about 5:30, and just to prepare some stuff, and then 6 o'clock. Okay, great. Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Dory. One more time. So okay, guys, thank you very much. Keep profiting from the stock market. Make it pleasurable. Next, so we're skipping the club meeting because we're having this party, but we're going to have online masterclass a bit earlier next month because of Christmas. Probably I'll move it 1 week earlier, not the 3rd week, but maybe the 2nd week. I'll let you know when we are going to start. Okay, and whoever comes for Christmas party, I'm looking forward to see you there. Okay, guys, all the best.